A list comprehension in Python is a neat and functional way of creating data. They generally consist of three parts. The first is an action, which is what do we want to do. The second is a source of where do those things come from. And lastly, there's an optional condition as well, which is pretty cool. So given a basic example, we'll say x is equal to, in a list, I plus 10. So that's our action. So we want to do some item plus 10 for each item in something, and that's our source. So we're saying I plus 10 for each item in numbers. We print x and we see each of those numbers now have 10 added to them. We can then say, well, let's bring in a condition. We'll say only do this if that number is greater than 5. We hit run again and we see the results. So just to recap, we're saying I plus 10, so add 10 to something, and do this for each item in numbers, but only if that item is bigger than 5.